So several years ago, I DIY'd the wall paneling on either side of this fireplace, and it is by far one of my favorite DIYs to date. And so I realized that since it's been several years, there's probably, first of all, several of you that didn't realize it was a DIY, and then some of you who might want to actually see the tutorial. So I'm resharing that, and I'm going to show you a short little video clip of how I did that. And then if you want to know more details, including a full tutorial, you can go to the blog, and I'll link that down below. And then along with this tutorial, I'm sharing a roundup of all my wall treatments that we've done in our home throughout the years. And there's just a wide variety of all different styles, so you'll have to check that out. And then also when you're watching the video, keep in mind that I am not putting the treatment over wallpaper. I get asked that all the time. It was a stencil.